Hey! You pushing that way?
I was.
It's going.
Is it gonna come
It's
my
going.
way?
Yes.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, I
Push
think.
it away from you, Mom. You'll be fine.
Oh,
Okay, turn
here it goes. Adeline, watch this.
Now it's
Here goes the tree.
Here we go, Emma.
Oh.
Wow,
dear
the sun
God.
just burst through.
Yeah, it's not too big.
It's fine. It's
Okay.
It's 12 feet. It's 12 feet.
Now, when you
Let's
stand
see.
That, now you...
Dennis J. Becker.
And at least you get a different one.
Hold on.
No, we can't get a
It is
different
a
one.
beautiful tree.
Here, Dad, you get one then. I'll
Start
just
cutting
get the other.
some more off that bottom.
We will. We got to see how
Oh
much
my
we
God.
need.
We don't have
Get Adeline, we need some help. All hands on deck. That is a tree.
Oh my God.
That is.
Okay, I want to try to.
Here, maybe?
Let me see.
Let's take that.
Oh my God. That is heavy.
Still on video?
Yeah. I know we're not gonna have any camera room.
No.